How to fix Grindr registration error. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the registration error on the Grindr application. Now the first thing what you want to do is you want to ensure that you are using the latest version of the Grindr app. You can head into your Play Store or App Store and there you want to search in for Grindr and you want to make sure that it's updated. If it is not updated, you'll get the update option instead of this open option. The second thing is you want to check to see if you are in a region where Grindr is blocked due to government restrictions. And if this doesn't help, then what you can do is you can try and force close the Grindr application. Now to do so, scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll all the way down below until you find the option apps, and under apps you want to search in for Grindr. I'll just type in, and once you open it up, if you scroll down here at the bottom of your screen at the bottom right corner, you can see force stop. Simply tap on it and you want to force stop it. Once you do this, you want to restart your device, and once you restart the device, open the Grindr application again and log into your account and you should be good to go. So this way you can fix the registration error and you can go ahead and register it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.